Hi, this is a demonstration video. I have three NuTone IS409 white outdoor patio stations. IS409s were used originally on the NuTone IM6 systems, which were made between 1992 and the end of 1996. Each one of these stations started its life off as an indoor unit. The grills have been re-whitened to restore them back to their original white color. The speaker cones were treated with the wet look for outdoor use. It seals the cone against the wind and the rain and the sun. The switchboard assembly has been conformally coated to seal it against moisture so it won't corrode. Each one of these are designed for the later IW6 stranded wire cable installations. These are not ribbon wire speakers. And then we've made our own in-house weather sealed gasket to cover over the board to keep moisture off of it. These do not include the surface mounting base. They're just what you see here, a complete patio station. We will have more of these in the future, but today we only have three. There'll be a banner right here that shows you how to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell or on the wheel, put in your email address, and every time we post a new video you'll get a notification and you can watch it, which is a really good way to keep up on new products and new items that we have for sale in this playlist. That's all for today. See you on the next video.